Welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring the nutrition facts of black chickpeas, also known as kala chana. These small, nutrient-dense legumes are popular in Indian cuisine and are packed with various health benefits. Let's dive into the nutritional profile of black chickpeas. Calorie content. Black chickpeas are relatively low in calories, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. A 100-gram serving of cooked black chickpeas contains approximately 160 calories. This makes them a satisfying and nutrient-rich option for those watching their calorie intake. Protein. One of the standout features of black chickpeas is their high protein content. A 100-gram serving provides around 9 grams of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining overall health. Including black chickpeas in your diet can help meet your protein needs, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Fiber. Black chickpeas are an excellent source of dietary fiber. A 100-gram serving offers approximately 8 grams of fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in promoting digestive health, regulating blood sugar levels, and aiding in weight management. Consuming foods rich in fiber, like black chickpeas, can contribute to a healthier digestive system and improved overall well-being. Carbohydrates. While black chickpeas contain carbohydrates, they have a relatively low glycemic index. This means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. The complex carbohydrates found in black chickpeas provide sustained energy, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. Rich in iron. Boiled and roasted kala chana is a must-have in your diet plan if you are suffering from anemia. It plays a crucial role in improving the levels of hemoglobin for transporting oxygen to various body parts. Being rich in iron, it is also recommended for pregnant and lactating mothers in limited quantities. Vitamins and minerals. Black chickpeas are a nutrient powerhouse, boasting a variety of vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in folate, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Folate is essential for cell division and DNA synthesis, while iron supports healthy blood cells and oxygen transport. Magnesium and zinc contribute to various bodily functions, including immune system health and protein synthesis. Antioxidants. Black chickpeas are also a notable source of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. The antioxidants found in black chickpeas may play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. Side effects of black chana. You need to consume kala chana in moderate amounts as they contain high fiber. Overeating fiber is associated with side effects like stomach pain and gas. 4. Also, before using black chana or any herbal remedy, talk to your healthcare provider about the possible side effects associated with its use. Conclusion. In conclusion, black chickpeas are a nutritious and versatile legume that offers numerous health benefits. They are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporating black chickpeas into your diet can support digestion, provide sustainable energy, and contribute to overall health. So, next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to include these nutrient-packed black chickpeas for a delicious and nourishing boost to your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.